Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Instagram post. Generally, if you deleted something, it's gone. Instagram, however, it stores all your content even after you delete it. So, there's a slight possibility you can recover it. To do so, the first method is checking the recently deleted folder on the mobile app. Tap the Instagram and in the lower right corner of your screen, tap your profile. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. And then select Recently Deleted. This is near the bottom of the menu. And you can also access this option using the three menu on your profile page. Tap on the three lines, then navigate to your activity, and tap on Recently Deleted. Then, tap the thumbnail that you want to restore. You'll be able to see all your photos, stories, reels, IGTV videos, and video posts here. Then tap Restore to restore it to your profile. Method 2. Checking the Instagram archive feature. Since its introduction in 2017, the archive feature is the default action to removing or hiding posts instead of deleting them. You might be able to find your old content here. Then, tap your profile image and tap the three lines and select Archive. A list of your archive stories will appear here. Then, tap the Stories Archive or tap on the image to view it. You'll see a list of all the content you've archived, and tapping one will open it with more details and options. Then tap the three dots and tap Show on Profile. It will appear back in your Instagram timeline where it originally was. And the third option, checking your phone gallery on Android. Open the files or open My Files. This app icon looks like folder and you'll most likely find this on one of your home screens and the app drawer or by searching. You'll only find an Instagram album if you enable the feature in Instagram to save your post locally. You'll only find the videos or photos you took with the Instagram app camera, not the entire post that you created. You also will not find pictures you uploaded from your default camera roll into Instagram here. Then tap Internal Storage. Tap Pictures. You might have to scroll down to see this. And tap Instagram. You'll see all the pictures you took from the Instagram app. And you can restore it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.